Hi, team. Name's Frank Wetzler, Senior Support Engineer for Boomi. I wanted to discuss a little bit today a topic around audit logs. Many times we get cases from customers asking if we're able to determine who made a certain configuration change, deployed a certain process, many activities for which they're not sure which of their teammates actually performed the action. And it turns out that customers can determine much of this information themselves using the Boomi audit log feature. So this is a feature of the Atomsphere API where you can query the platform for any of these actions which someone may have done in your account. um, Adding, updating, or deleting APIs, users in an account, added API tokens, added or deleted a cloud, a connector, an integration pack, deleted something, a cloud, a component, an environment, deployed something, saved something. There is a suite of activities that an entire set of activities that you can query the audit log and determine yourselves who performed the action or what action was performed within a certain set of time. So this is available in our help guide. It is called the audit log entries, things that we enter into our audit logs that you can query. Specifically, the audit log itself, the audit log object allows you to interact with the platform based on certain criteria and fields to pull this information back. We support get, query, create, update, execute, and delete objects. I'm sorry. We support get and query for this particular operation. We do not support create, update, execute, and delete, which makes sense for an audit. You're just basically retrieving what was already done. Um, for get and query, I'm going to show you a query operation where I'm going to determine on my um, environments, what did I change within a certain time and range? So typically you can interact with the platform API using any kind of REST tool. In this case here, we have Postman, and I'm going to interact with the platform, just as you would with any other Atomsphere API. I'm going to call api.boomi.com. This is the rest of the parameter field. I have my account information, the audit log, and a query operation. All of this is explained in a sample um, update operation or a query operation, where it gives you the basic template for the actual call itself, and you can give it any number of arguments which are described up here, and we're just going to use date, and we're going to determine what was changed within a certain date, and that's consistent with the example here in the help guide. We're going to do a date action, and we're going to use the type is going to be uh, on the runtime itself, and as.atom is the type, and that's further explained again up here what the type is. These are all the types. The query constructions are listed here. So in here, in my particular atom, I have all my runtimes between June 16th and June 30th of 2022. What did I change? And if I run that, the answer I get is this. I basically updated my shared web server authentication servers on these containers that start with 0, EDC5A, 59, etc., and this one down here. So we have these three containers for which I made shared web server updates. And that is a quick and easy way to determine um, information around changes made to your runtime environment. Here's the user that made the change, myself, Boomi Frank Wetzler. So great tool to use. Please feel free to leverage it whenever possible. With that, I'm going to say goodbye and happy integrating. Until next time.